Hi guys, welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show. Today I'll be giving you a fried breadfruit breakfast. I'll be serving it with some ackee and saltfish, which I'll be doing off camera. It's mostly about the fried breadfruit. Here I have a few slices that I'll be adding to the fire in a few minutes. So let's get this show started. So guys, the stove is now hot, so I'm going to be adding my breadfruit. This wasn't a big breadfruit, so hence the slices are so small. And because they were frozen, a few of them were broken up. So these are the best slices I could have gotten out of them. Fresh from the trees in Jamaica. Just a little breakfast for you guys. I have a few more slices that I'll be adding, but as I said, I just add the best slices that I could get out of the bag because they were frozen, so I had to thaw them out, take out the best looking ones for the video so I can show you guys. Alright, I'm gonna be checking if they're ready for turning. I don't want them to burn, I just want them to get a golden color. I don't use left hand, so it's kind of awkward to be using it. There's one of them broke off. Let's use the fork. Alright, I got that nice golden color. Of course, you can see. Some of them are ready to come out now. As I said, I don't want them to over brown, so just like that. Nice and golden. Just gonna put them on a paper towel to get rid of some of the grease. Now guys, I'll be using some of the oil that is remaining for my ackee and saltfish. So I'll be straining off just the pieces of breadfruit that have been broken up, and use the oil. That's why I fried the breadfruit first. See that? Nice and golden. That's a little breakfast video for you guys. So guys, I'm going to just prepare the rest of the breadfruit off camera and then take you guys through the process of the ackee and saltfish. Okay guys, pot is ready. So I'm gonna add done ackee and saltfish videos on my channel many of the time, so this is just because I'm doing the breakfast. I'm just gonna show you guys. I've already boiled the saltfish to get rid of the excess salt, which is very important. You have to boil it to get rid of the excess salt. The saltfish is the same thing as the codfish. And I've gotten ackee as well, but I choose to use the tin because I would have to wait for the one that I picked to defrost. Tip a little black pepper, not much. Just to saute the herbs and the saltfish. As now I'm gonna add the ackee, which I've washed. Please remember when you're taking stuff out of the tin, you wash them with a little cold water. And you just want to take your time and stir that around, because you don't want them to break apart and be all mushy and squashy and soft. So you just take your time and just mix it in. Sorry for the noise with the fork and at this time now you add a little more black pepper, not much, and then you just stir it around. It's just for taste, so you don't want to overdo it. Now I'm going to just cover it and leave it to simmer. Not too long to cook. In about maybe 2 minutes I can turn it off. Alright guys, it's about that time. Turn it off. I just tasted it. It's just right. So guys, what I want you to do now is join me at the table. Okay guys, here we go. With a little sorrel. I know it's too early, but you know. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.